Innovation School is a hybrid online learning program that started as an initiative to be able to build skills in the maker world. For example, electronics and microcontrollers, CAD modeling, and virtual reality, to be able to build a mindset towards actually building things. The program enables you to go from having an idea and actually bringing it into real life. First part, you learn some key skills with some kits that we send to you, things that we've put together, products that we've created with a lot of time and a lot of effort so that you're able to pick up these skills wherever you are in the world. Once you've picked up a few of these key skills, you start thinking about the final project. Now, the final project, once again, is something that you personally care about, your passion project. Once you have a final project, you come down physically to Makers Asylum in Goa, the madhouse. The reason why we call this place the Asylum is because it's a safe space for people like myself and others and you to come together, share tools, share the space, and be able to be creative and build things. It's a space to be able to collaborate and be able to build that. There are all sorts of tools at the Asylum, of course, but the tools are more like enablers. It's about the community and the mindset that really is what helps you build. Yes, it's a great way to be able to build your portfolio because you're building a real story in the process of the Innovation School program. You're not just coming up and getting a project made or making a project for the heck of it. You're actually learning different skills that enable you to go from idea into prototype. This journey of going from idea into prototype of something that you really care about with a community of like-minded people is what this program really offers. It creates a genuine story, something that you care about and something that people care about when they're looking at your profile. You're going through the learning of actually going from having an idea, learning the different skills, and building things. The program helps you find your passion, and then the entire space is a learning oyster. You can learn from everything and everyone around you, and that's the kind of an environment we try and facilitate at Makers Asylum. We don't want to just teach you things. We want to create a learning environment where you can learn what you want to learn based on things that you need to learn to be able to create your dream or your passion project.